Last week, I was trying to figure out how I was going to explain through nature the meaning of quintessence, our quintessence, that beautiful light that shines within each and every one of us. And then Mother Nature brought me this beautiful image. There it was amongst the trees, these beautiful little gum flowers that just looked like stars, and they were hidden away inside the tree branches. Our star essence is also hidden away inside of us. It is actually our spirit self. By getting to know this spirit self on a very personal basis, our light truly begins to shine. It's no longer hidden away, but it's there for all to see. So perhaps you get to know your spirit self today and allow your light to shine.